All right, going into message creation. Starting on our main screen, we're gonna go to the ABC right here. When you're on your main screen, it loads the last message that you had printed. So it'll pull that up automatically. If you want to clear the slate, we're going to go to the new piece of paper with the plus sign, and that'll clear everything, and now we got a blank slate. First thing you have to do when creating a message is adjust your raster size. The raster size, so it says right now 32 by 24. That's 32 dots high, 24 dots wide for each character. That's a huge message, so we're going to go a lot smaller like that so we can hit our windows. I'm going to go 7 by 5 is a nice size to start with. Once we have our raster size created correctly, we want to make sure that our font size is correct. If you're too big, let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. You can move that in there, but if you look closely on the pink, you have a line of dots down there. It will cut off that bottom line of dots. It's only going to print what's in the white. So let's start from scratch here. 7 by 5, so I need to change my size to 7 by 5. Your width, if you adjust these, it's 1 dot wide for each line on your character, 2 dots wide for each line, so you can make your message bolder. You can make each character bolder by adjusting your width if you want to, but that will slow down your print speed. Spacing is how much space in between each character. I just want 1 dot for this one, and let's go into creating a message. So if we want to make our Best Buy date, we go in here and type our Best Buy. And you can adjust your left and right by these arrows, or you can click and drag if you need to. Now when I want to put a date in, you could either put your date in using characters like this if you want to enter it each day, or if you want a running date, you click on the little clock here. When you click on the clock, you have 2 tabs, time and date. For the date, you got day, month, year, or you have all of these different ways to do it. You even have a Julian date. So I'm gonna go month, day, year, or year. All right, and here's how you create your offsets. If you want days offset or months offset. So if you have a product that expires in 30 days, you can do 1 month offset or 30 days. If it's a year, you can do 12-month offset. So I'll do the 12-month offset. Go ahead and add that. So now we have our October 2nd, 2024 Best Buy date. If I want to add a timestamp, go back to your time. Here's your time format, hour, minute, or there's many other variations as well. You can do down to the second. Minute is represented by N rather than M because M is for month. So they distinguish it differently by putting an N there. And there's our timestamp. Now when you want to save a message, go ahead and click your save button. New, or whatever you want to label it as. And then when we go back, you notice it didn't load yet. You have to automatically, or you have to manually load each message anytime you create one. So you come into your folder here, this black little folder, find it, and hit print. Give it a second and it'll auto-populate. Within the message, you go to your settings, your print settings, and then basic, and then these are the settings for each individual message. This will change when you change a new message. So right now it's on auto print, so if I were to trigger it once or just hit print, it would automatically print over and over. Typically people are triggering off a photo eye and they want 1 trigger or 1 print per trigger. So now you have your photo cell, your print speed. Print speed directly correlates with how fast your conveyor is moving. So it's kind of trial and error figuring out how fast you want it to print. The faster the print, the smaller your text will be. The slower you print, the more stretched out it's going to be.